Hey guys, it's Saturday, it's the first day of vacation, and I started cleaning the apartment. I'm probably only going to do like a room or two a day. It's only small, I could probably do it one day, but I started with the bathroom today, so. But I'm in a breath from bending over the tub, so. But I'm going to show you guys the bathroom. So I literally took everything out. Don't put that back in yet. Mike and I literally took everything out of the bathroom. I cleaned the tub. The tub's all nice and clean. Toilet's in progress, as you can see. Sink I'll do last because we're going to sweep and mop this floor. And look, I'm just going to let that simmer in there for a bit. I started cleaning this baseboard. Look at the hair from the pets. It's from Tigger. So I started cleaning it with a sponge, Daddy, but it was just sticking to the sponge. So I'm going to have to vacuum it up or something. I got to show him like that because that's pretty funny. So I'm decluttering as I'm going too. So we're getting rid of stuff. I can't get in the bathtub anymore. I know that sounds gross, but I shower. But I can't get down in the tub because I got down last week to shave my legs in the tub before Mike's daughter's graduation party. And I couldn't get out because of my bad knee. I was struggling. I had to drain the tub, get a towel and a face cloth, steady myself with it, and have Mike steady me. It was bad, guys. I can't. So I'm giving my bath bombs and stuff to my mom because I don't, not until I figure out what's going on with my knee, I'm not getting in the tub anymore. It's too hard getting out. If I sound like I'm in a breath, I am because I was leaning over the bathtub scrubbing it, and that's, whew, I got a sweat going too. So it'd be nice to have a nice clean bath, to get a nice clean shower when I'm done doing all this cleaning. But I got to get back to it because I can't leave Mike to do everything. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay guys, the bathroom is all clean except with the exception of the mirror. I have to clean the mirror. It smells so good in here. Mike got all that cleaned, like along the bathtub there. I'm going to move this picture, which I love. I'm going to move it over here on this wall. So then you have something to read when you're sitting on the toilet. So yeah, the bathroom looks a lot better. I even cleaned out the medicine cabinet and I cleaned out this drawer down here and just reorganized everything, and I'm liking the way it looks. Like I said, the mirror still needs to be cleaned, so don't mind that. I'm liking the way it looks a lot better now. Yeah, it feels much more organized. So yeah, that's just a little update. There's a dog howling outside. What's up, Odie? I guess next we're going to tackle the kitchen. And I'm getting rid of like cookware and stuff that I don't use because there's no point to having it. And I think I'm going to have a yard sale. And I'm charging my Fitbit because I want to start using that again. Because why? This is supposed to be a washer hookup, but we put our deep freeze there. Because I'm not buying a washer when I'm going to be moving, and the places that I'm moving to have washer and dryer when we get called. So yeah, I'm taking a little break right now, and then I'll put everything else away that's in the kitchen and start on the kitchen. So that is a little update on what I've been up to. I charged up my Fitbit for the first time in over a year. It was just sitting in my desk drawer since I moved up here. So yeah, I have 0 steps because I literally just put it on. So yeah, but I'm going to start using it because why pay for a Fitbit if you're not going to use it? I have bands for it that are like scrunchy like. See, my sister got them for me for Christmas a few years ago, so I just got that on because that's what I wanted on it. But I have the original straps and I have other straps. So yeah, Tigger is laying down over there because he's trying to stay out of my way. My neighbor bought me a tea from Tim Hortons and Mike a coffee, and Oni is having a nap. Just that kind of day, but at least I'm getting progress done. My hair is a mess. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a shower. I hate my hair. I want to try something. Let's try something. Okay guys, another update on the bathroom. It's completely done now. I love my little toilet things. The mirror's done, and I moved this over here because, like I said, if you're sitting on the toilet, you can see it. When it was over here, it was just weird. But I'm going to have to find something Tiffany blue to put on this wall. When I find the right thing, I'll put it there. My bathroom obviously has a Tiffany blue theme. boiling some sausage to get some of the grease out of them, and then I'm going to put them in the air fryer. So that's what we're having for supper. I'm just going to have mine on a bun. Mike's going to have his with taters. I don't eat a lot, so I can't eat a lot, especially that kind of stuff, because it has like grease and fat in it. So I'm just going to take out a couple of hot dog buns. I'll probably only eat one though, because I don't eat a lot. So that's been my day. I spent the day cleaning. We didn't do the kitchen yet. I did do this cart in the kitchen. I cleaned it off and I reorganized it. And I did the shelf of the fridge so far. And what else did we do? Oh, Mike swept under the couch. So that's what we did so far. Tomorrow I'll continue. Probably end up doing the rest of the apartment. So I just want a big cleaning done. So yeah, I'm going to go put these in the air fryer. Hey guys, I know this vlog was short, but I'm going to end it here. I'm going to try to do some more through the week this week, if there's anything going on. So I'll keep you guys posted with me, because I have all the time in the world to vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourself and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye everyone.